Hey gang, you ready to help unpack my life? See what we got here? Well, this I think I showed off. The wife picked up this little ceramic shark with a bow tie. It's got all this speckled thing. Speckled color reminds me of Bill Nye, the science guy, with his fancy fancy colored jackets he'd always wear, and then his little bow tie. So I call him Bill Nye the Shark Guy. He will be going up in our room. This character I go back and forth on. It is a Frazetta image. I don't know why the camera is so dark. But it's basically his version of like uh, uh, I got Celtic warrior in my head. You know, basically Thor. I keep debating on that one, but it is currently available for sale if anybody wants one or not. I do collect these little guys. I don't know why, but when I find a small, nice desktop globes, I like to pick those up. No reason. I enjoy. They just bring back memories of my childhood, I guess. Fresh cup of coffee. Got little Miss Piggy. She's going to a new home. And little Fozzie. I mean, waka waka waka. That is. I believe they're both from the Muppet Babies. He doesn't have extra tags on it. She's still got her brand new tags on it, representing the Muppet Babies. But yeah, Fozzie does connect with that. What the heck? You better be behaving, Lenny. I think my cat's getting into my area. Oh, let's see. We got a Taco Bell Matchbox Madness car. We need more light. Let's see if it helps or hinders the imaging. Yeah, it helps. It's a little bright, but this is a 62 Corvette. Must have gave those out at Taco Bell at one time with some gift packs. Gonna have to find a new area to pack that stuff up in. Some of this stuff out of the way as I go through it. So much to pack. Pack, repack, pack again. See, these are Valley Forge, Boy Scouts of America, National Jamboree scarves. This one looks like 1950. My dad collected a lot of the Boy Scouts of America stuff. Some fun facts. My mom was a scout leader. I tried my dangest not to be in her scout group. I had a one season, but then I was able to get put into a different group after that. It's like, I don't want to sit there and have mom be my scout leader, scout master. It just was weird. So I went to my other friend's mom. which all of them were our moms, because they all took care of us. This one has a cheaper, newer type material for that one, but this one is the old school material, the old flag material, and it is also in 1950s on the emblem. But yeah, this is the one you'd want more than the other one. The other one's that material is weird feeling. I mean, for a scarf it wouldn't be bad, but if you're gonna use it as like a headband or something, then it would not be comfortable. I can't get it apart. Okay, there we go. That goes like that. This I cannot put two triangles together. All right, those are gonna get packed away. Oh, there we go. Godfrey. Godfrey the Great by Jack O'Brien. The life story of Arthur Godfrey. It's got a complete unabridged edition, prefaced by Arthur Godfrey. 57 exclusive life story pictures in here. If someone's into that character, they'd probably really appreciate this. Definitely some interesting, fun pictures. Some color transfers and stuff. Oh, maybe it was print. No, that these pages must have been in a damp room, and some of the black ink transferred over to some of the other pages. But still very cool. But I don't have no. The only boxes I have here are ones that are going upstairs. I need a cell box and I need a storage box. This is a cool little tea box, wooden tea box that I kept. Don't know, premium Cylon. Spelled Battlestar Galactica Cylon tea. Ceylon. Cylon. But yeah, I like little containers. This is a pretty cool thing that they had. Those will get all packed away. It's time to rip her out of the box. The box is starting to get all beat up. I like these. Or are they bubblegum? Or rock candy. Rock candy collectibles. But we got ourselves the Gwenpool. I like the Gwenpool character, but I'll leave her in her box till I find her new space in my new room. And then she will be getting transferred. She'll get taken out of the box and put up. They got a bag full of old, are they Matchbox or I think they're Matchbox, not Hot Wheels. It would really help if I just wore some glasses. Let's see what we got here. Pontiac Firebird, but Corgi, made in Britain. Huh. Okay, looks like there's a variety of cars here. Looks mostly like they're from Corgi. But yeah, we got sports ones, a bunch of baseball teams on these. Not sure where I got those. I think I got them at a rummage somewhere. I was a really good artist when I was young. Looks like I was 5 years old when I made this. There's a 5 on the bottom of the plate. No idea what I was doing over here. It's like, oh, okay, that's her skirt. She's got one big leg and one stick leg. Yeah. Big old monkey ears. Uh, Scary. United States of America flag, bicentennial flag, 1776 to 1976, with our last name on the flag. That's pretty interesting. My dad liked to collect flag style stuff, anything American, anything bicentennial, all that stuff. He was big on that. Here's an example. What's this? The old, my sister's It's a Small World script. It's a small world after all. It's a world of laughter, a world of tears. It's a world of hopes and a world of fears. There's so much that we share that it's time where something something aware. It's a small world after all. Uh-oh. It's a small world after all. I don't remember half these words. I just remember the It's a Small World theme with that. It was my sister's reading material from 1979. It's pretty much worn out and beat up now. Alright, like I said, Dad liked to collect historical things, newspapers, flags, all that stuff. This is the Daily Mirror from June 29th, 1950. MacArthur lands in South Korea on the cover. That's pretty monumental. Very interesting. They're looking at a combat memento or a big shell blew through the side of a ship, it looks like. 2 policemen indicted in plot to peddle dope. uh, extended draft law for the year. U.S. won't back down to Reds anywhere. And there's just all kinds of. State Medical Board reinstates Dr. Sander. This lady admits killing her divorced mate on farm. Some Taft news in here. It's pretty interesting. All the old advertisements back in the day. Yanks whip the Nats. Who are the Nats? National League, I take it. And that's just so cool. You got now this is too old for it to be Ricky Henderson stealing a plate. But yeah, that's just cool seeing the old Yankees baseball news on the back of here. This thing's got some major edgeware and stuff, but other than that, she's in pretty good. Like you got all these little fold overs on the bottom of there, but still pretty good condition. Not discolored as bad as things do get from back in the day. I can't put it back together. But yeah, Dad collected a lot of stuff from the 1950s, because that was his teenage years. And years when he went into the military and stuff, so that's why he started collecting a lot of memorabilia from those periods. This I gotta put in one of our vehicles, whichever one we use the most, probably the car. But the old fishing pole and tackle box all together, the extenda pole. These things come in handy when you're out and about and all of a sudden you get a bug up your butt and you want to go fishing. Good thing to have in your cars. I will put that in my car. That'll be good to have because I haven't fished in a long time and I really go for fishing. Okay, we got a box full of all kinds of memorabilia. Not going to go through this whole thing, just pull a few things out. Got airmail from Dad when he was in the military. Got my dad's old elementary school report cards. See, he used to yell at me for my grades. Looks like he averaged, hey, I see an F right there. And another F, and another F. Huh. Eh, too bad he's not around. I'd just shove this in his face right now or prove that my D's weren't that bad. Yeah, a bunch of his elementary school report cards. We hung out with two other families all the time. Grew up with them. Basically, we all had 3 mothers and 3 fathers. But yeah, we'd go up north a lot, and that was from there. Ringling Brothers, Barnum and Bailey. Ticket. Who's that ugly kid? That's my ugly mug. I need my glasses back. Where did I put them? Oh, that's a stupid spot for them. This is a trip because Mom was pregnant with me when Mom and Dad built this house. And now there's a tree line with trees behind it and a bunch of other trees that are at least, well, actually a good 5 feet higher than the peak of the roof. I tried to save it, but my oldest sister decided to sell it, even though I found lawyers that would let me buy it for a lower amount. She just wouldn't accept it, so now everything's gone. She had to ruin everything. Fair tickets, bunch of old postcards. I love back in the day. I'm gonna put this by my desk and read the old style postcard books and stuff that they had. Such awesome artwork. They're so much fun. Looks like this is a letter from my dad to my grandpa that he did in the postcard books. Niagara Falls. I know my folks spent an anniversary out there. Saute Marie ship that's probably docked between Niagara Falls and Canada area. There's a really cool Niagara Falls when they put the lights behind the water, different colors. There's a card from Minnesota, Paul Bunyan. That's awesome. Oh my gosh, this is cool. I don't know what this is. This is Anasco X-ray films, no chemicals. It's got a little dialy thing on the back instead of a pin because it looks like a pin. I like this better because it's a calendar. Basically a calendar that you can spin around. It's awesome some of the stuff you find that's really old. They got preview of International Scout Rally to be given area residents. We don't care about that. Scouts Jamboree stuff. Some nice old Canadian 1 cent stamps. There's a Camp Shaganapi Badger Council patch. Yeah, there's a bunch of newspaper things in here. Bunch of cool postcards. Yeah. Just to look at a couple of these quick and see. Okay, this must have been when Dad was in Boy Scout camp. I got all kinds of pictures of them building stuff, doing stuff. Yeah. Yeah, I will have to go through this. I'm guessing this was mostly his Boy Scout and military letters. It's back in the day, the Boy Scouts weren't just go do an event and come home. They'd camp out a lot and have to do other stuff. But yeah, I wanna read through those. I don't know if I should be showing these off if I'll offend anybody. Don't know which ones are in here. Oh, these are my favorites anyways. Oh. Make sure there's no ammunition in it. Well, 38. It's supposed to be a gun for the wife, but instead she got scared when I shot a couple pistols because they were very loud. But instead we got booby pistols. One to hide in your bra, the old Derringers. This one's a single shot. This one's the 4-shot. I love on the 4-shot how when you cock it, you can either use it as a full. No, I don't think you can. I think it is only single, but every time you cock it, there's a tiny little pin that moves. So you got 4 shells in there, and you'll get 4 shots out of it, which is rare. I can't open it. What am I doing wrong? Yeah. Might need a good oiling. But yeah, I love my little Derringers. I shot them when I was a kid a bunch of times. Not once I got older. Let's see what's in here. Good. This is a box I can pack away. Got the old BB gun target. Let's back it up there. Basically, you shot them and they'd spin around. Sometimes they'd stop in the back position. But yeah, that thing's probably from the 60s, 70s, I would guess. But I know I shot it a bunch. I got a ton of these old tractors. Still in their boxes, most of them. But those will be going for sale. (1905) Ford delivery car. Piggy bank with the True Value logo on it. We used to own a True Value. So that's how we ended up with a lot of those. There's an old forage wagon, or hay wagon, alfalfa wagon, whatever we're chopping and dropping. Yeah, I'm not gonna pull a bunch of them out, but we had an International Harvester Cub Cadet business back in the day. So a lot of these things are from that time, and then Dad kept buying tractors. We got lots of them. But I'm not a tractor enthusiast. So those will basically get packed away. This I'm going to keep though. Not going to let that go. Too many memories with that. But the tractors, they can go. I don't need those. Okay, this stuff I showed off. Action figures and stuff that pretty sure I showed it off. Got at a rummage sale last week. Bunch of 25-cent items, little dollar bags, some more Lego my Egos. See here, old Milwaukee Admirals mini hockey stick. I love these. These and the mini baseballs bats you used to get back in the day. I got probably about 3 of those. This is an old, looks like a dental set. Little scrapers from the Miller Company. Simpson Hall Miller and Miller Company. Oh no, I'll keep those for now. I thought my dragon head mounted on the wall. It looks like you got a dragon busting through. His horns are separate somewhere. More Legos. My size. I hope he doesn't work. Good. I took the batteries out of him. So I've been finding a lot of rusted up battery stuff, but I'm sure if you watched Caddyshack, you know who he is. He dances. He will be going up in my new room, so you'll see him dancing up there every now and then. What else? Yeah, it's just a big ceramic dragon that I painted back in the day. You'll see that in my room also. It's kind of stuck in there, so I don't want to try and pull it out of there at the moment because I got this nicely packed. And this can go upstairs, I think. Do I have anything else I want to put in there? That will all be packed away. It's packed away. Yeah. Alright. That'll work. Hopefully my size won't break anything in there. Alright. One more tote by me. That my lizard. The wife picked up for me. The little dopey lizard. I think she picked it up for me. We got the whole set of these somewhere, but they're going to be going for sale. Little, what you call it? Grateful Dead bears. This is my godfather's husband, or my godfather's wife. She always tells me she's my godmother, but this is her. One of her records. They are, well, he plays guitar, she sings. I think he also sings. But this is her music, and she wrote, "Hope I can make a touchdown with you on my new record. I want to be a Dallas Cowgirl. Thanks, Julie Richmond." So the song is "I Want to Be a Dallas Cowgirl." That's my godmother. And now they're living up here, but they did live in Tennessee for a really long time, and would be up on stage doing their thing, singer and songwriters. But yeah, it was awesome getting that record finding that record, being able to still have it without it being broken. Got my, I don't care what you say, it was their name for many years. The Washington Redskins Zombie, Team Zombie. These are mecha scalers. Don't know what they're supposed to scale on, if you put them on your drink or something, but Gizmo the Gremlin. We got National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. It's got the moose, the things you could fill. And it's got 2-pint glasses in there. Should just take those out and use them. Other than that, got Rubik's Cubes and glow-in-the-dark footballs. Evil Ernie with a Santa hat. That is cool. Wish he had Smiley with him. Pretty interesting. I don't think I ever had that out of the box. You look at the box and you just don't get that detail that you get when you take it out. Alright. Yeah, I think that's about it. Go through this stuff. You'll see it when I get it upstairs and get it all nicely unpacked. I don't know why I'm putting that back in there. I should really use those glasses. Alright. Looks like that's probably it for today. More Magic Gathering cards. else that's sticking out. Now I gotta put these boxes away. Get them out of here. But yeah, that was it for unpacking my life today. Hope you enjoyed it. Nothing. Well, there was some pretty cool old things. Old newspapers and stuff. Some fun little character things that I have. Lots of stuff to pack away, and a few things I'm going to give away, and a few things I'm going to sell the way it looks like. But for now, we're going to call it good. Keep following under the color of MS. Rate, review, subscribe, tell a friend, give me those likes. Leave a comment, I'll comment back. And check out Crimson Color Comic Club. Check out my friends' live auctions. You can see them in my live shows and stuff like that. The ones that I've been joining in on. And we'll be back with more videos sometime soon. Thanks, and we'll see you again. Bye.